Question 5. How many pairs of parallel sides does a regular hexagon have? So this word regular means that all sides and all angles are the same. All sides, all angles, the same. Not all hexagons are regular. You can have an irregular hexagon. If I was to put 1 point there, a second point there, third point there, fourth point there, fifth point there, and a 6 point down here, that's 6 points. And if I was to join them all up, I would create a shape with 6 sides. So that's a 6-sided shape. So that is also a hexagon, but it's an irregular hexagon because not all the sides and angles are the same length. But this one here is regular. And it's talking about parallel sides. Now, there are certain ways of showing, marking things on shapes. So look at the green lines, first of all. The green lines around the edge, little dash on each edge, that shows that they are equal sides. That's how you show equal length sides. All the angles are the same, and you can show that with these pink lines, that they're all the same angles, and that's why the shape's regular. But to show parallel lines, you use arrows. So this side and this side down here are pointing in the same direction, so they are parallel. So you use a single pair of arrows. But what you can't do is draw a single arrow on all 6 sides, because that would be saying that all 6 sides are parallel to each other, and they aren't. So what you've got to do is do them in pairs. So the 2 sides I've marked with a blue arrow, they are a pair of parallel lines that point in the same directions. Then you have to start using double arrows for another pair. So these 2 lines that I'm using black arrows for, that's a second pair of parallel lines. And if we use red for the final pair, we've got the top and bottom, but this needs to be a triple arrow because it's a different pair. So each different pair of parallel lines needs a different number of arrows. So how many pairs of parallel sides does a regular hexagon have? The answer is 3 pairs. It's got 6 sides, but we're talking about how many pairs. It's a bit like with shoes. 6 shoes is 3 pairs of shoes. So the final answer to this question is 3 pairs.